what are we doing today, man?
So we are at the apartment complex where one of our vending machines is.
What are we doing? We're doing a pool.
Yeah, we're gonna jump in the pool.
We're doing a pool of revenue.
Oh, yes, a pool, not pool.
Pool. So we got some things down.
People have been buying drinks, that's good.
This is the fun part. I did a mid-month pool, so it's not as big as it could be. Not bad.
So this is for how much time?
About 2 weeks.
Okay.
How much y'all think that is?
Comment and let us know. Never change. Yeah.
And then we'll have to check the pay range data to see what sales went in. And then now we're gonna refill. Looks like we're not out, but we don't want to run out.
Yeah. Running out is bad. So now we're just refilling.
Now we're just refilling. They usually like to level them out so that each series of sodas are the same, SKU number, same date. Because the machine will naturally kind of, run them somewhat even. I just want to make sure that those are all the same batch. And then this is the Coke and the Dr. Pepper double stacked, each column. The front column goes towards you, the back column points to the back of the machine.
So this is what vending babe means?
Yeah. This is vending babe.
I'm the videographer.
Yeah. Oh. These Coke Zeros are out of date.
Uh-oh. We gotta take those out, huh?
Yeah.
And those go out of date a lot faster than like the regular sugar ones, don't they?
Yeah, they do, and so you don't really want to buy these in bulk or over what you need. We only have 2 machines, so we're working on some more locations. And it's a slow mover, so
Well, I don't know. You said lately someone's been buying them.
yeah,
They'll be disappointed that they're gone.
I know, but we're gonna head to HEB. I just don't want to sell them old.
Well, yeah, for sure. We're doing them a favor.
It's kind of a hit on us, but I mean, it's just part of it. And I saw a good deal on them and bought a bunch, and that was just a rookie mistake.
You live and learn.
Should have bought them yesterday at the store, but I didn't. They weren't on sale either, so I try to make my margins at least double the dollar you put into it.
Yeah.
For the amount of money. So I'm usually getting it for 45 cents to 50, you know, as close to 50 cents as possible. Selling for $1. And they seem to move at that. We are thinking about getting credit card readers. Trying to see if we can work that out. Which they'll have a 2-tier system, so using a credit card costs more for the sodas, and hopefully that will compensate for the cost of having it. But hopefully it overall ups our sales.
Yeah.
And, I forgot that was split.
What's that one?
Root beer.
Oh, I didn't know we had root beer. That's cool. People buy that, huh? People buy that, huh?
Yeah, it does pretty well over here. It's not as fast as Coke and Dr. Pepper, but it moves. And what's great about it is it's on sale in this area a lot.
Yeah.
It's owned by the 7-Up Corporation, which is in Texas, and it makes it to where they do a lot of deals. So we could have brought some Sun-Kissed. It makes me hesitate putting these Sprites in. It'll be hard to get to the Sun-Kissed. Maybe by the time I come, it'll be down. Pretty much filled up. I'll have to come back and put some zero in there. And we're going to change it to Big Red, but if someone wants to buy a zero, I'll give them a 0 calorie option.
That's good to have.
And then I always haul my trash off. I don't throw it away in the dumps like that can right there.
Yeah.
It would be very enticing to
just put it in there.
But
that would fill up most of that can,
yeah,
so we don't want to do that.
This vending location is way more than it is trying to figure out where to get rid of these. It's just worth more than that. So we don't
want to leave a mess.
We don't use their facility.